So today I'm currently trying to get the bumpers off. I'm first taking off, as you can see, this little piece here, and that way I can get access to the rest, and hopefully I should be able to get the front bumper off. So I've managed to get both of these off. They're not actually in too bad a shape. They do need a good cleaning up. I'll get some auto sol on them and get them looking shiny. But now we've got to try and get this piece here off, and it comes off in 3 stages. So let's give it a go. Right, so now we've got the small piece out. I've now got to do that bolt there and that one there, so I can get the side piece off first. So I've now got those 2 out, and you can see that is quite loose. Now I've just got to find a way of how we get that off. Right, so to get these ones off, you have to go in here, and there it is. So I have to get my spanner in there. I don't know if you can see that at all, but yeah. Alright, so I've got the bolts around there off. Now I just need to get this one, and as you can see, there it is. And that's going to be interesting to get off, but we'll give it a go. So all the bolts apart from this one here, which is very loose because I'm just leaving that in at the moment. These 2 here are out. These 2 here. This one, however, the thread is stuck and is refusing to come out. So whilst I think of a way to get that out, I'm going to drain the fuel tank because it's terrible and it smells. So I'm going to undo the bolt there and see how much fuel is in it. Loosen it up a little. I'm expecting it to all come pouring out. Oh god, it smells so bad. I'm going to have to put the camera down because it's coming out now. That doesn't actually look too bad, surprisingly. I was expecting it to be a hell of a lot worse.